I made my David Martinez cosplay from Cyberpunk Edge Runners for MegaCon Manchester 2025.
So first off, I need to go fix this hair. Here's what it looks like beforehand. Well, here's the final.
Jacket arrived looking a little bit worse for wear, so I decided to fix it up. I started by opening up the seams, so I'd be able to fit a piece of foam inside to give the collar stiffness. It's already looking a lot better with the foam inside. I just had to close this hole up, which ended up breaking the sewing machine needle to do. Once I had it laid out, I grabbed my iron just to plan it all out, to remove all the creases, and already it looks a million times better. I browsed Facebook Marketplace for a Nerf gun that I'd be able to modify to make it look like I needed it to. After a while scrolling, I managed to find one, then I went up and met up with the buyer to get it. Once I took it home, I grabbed some clay, filled the holes, as well as moved out some of the surfaces to get a cleaner look. I then took my Dremel to it and started sanding off all of the logos as well as the extra bumps. I put a poll up on Reddit asking for your voting on which color I should go with, and while I waited for the replies, I started putting the layer of base paint on. The replies flooded in, however I wasn't able to screenshot all of them to include in this video, but thank you for everyone who commented and voted on which color palette I should go with. In the end, I ended up choosing this. I added my stencils for where I wanted the serial number to be, as well as I put a QR code on the side for people to scan. With the hair prop and jacket done, all that was left to do was to get some photos.
So